Hi,
I'm Dave Van Clow.
And I'm Asha Terrell.
And today's date is June the 23rd, 2016.
And we're Twins Talk Stocks.
Today we're doing our first video on an IPO. Today the first unicorn stock went public. A unicorn is a privately held company worth at least $1 billion. Twilio had its best single day performance for any IPO this year. Its ticker symbol is TWLO. It went up 92% today. It priced the shares last night at $15. It closed today at $28.79. Yesterday, their market cap was $1.2 billion. Today, their market cap is $2.4 billion. They doubled their market cap. Fun fact, the record for the best single day performance for any IPO in history belongs to Baidu, which went up 354% when it had its IPO on August 8, 2005. You may not have heard of Twilio, but you know their clients. They have 28,000 customers, including Box, Uber, Home Depot, Coca-Cola, Walmart, Nordstrom, DocuSign. What is Twilio? It's a communication platform in the cloud that allows app developers and businesses to use voice, text, and photo message to interact with customers. For example, you can see where exactly your Uber driver is on the Uber app, or how your Uber driver knows where to pick you up. It's all done using Twilio's platform. Will Twilio's terrific stock help other unicorns have an IPO in this tough market? Investors are eagerly waiting to buy stock in unicorns such as Uber, Pinterest, Airbnb, and Snapchat. Thanks for watching our video. Please like our video. Please subscribe to our channel. And be sure to check out our website, twinstalkstocks.com. Bye. We dressed our stuffed animals up like unicorns. Bye. Bye.